Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping your hair because clip bangs sit best on slightly damp, detangled hair. Once detangled, section the top and secure the crown away. This exposes the front line. Measure the clip bangs against your natural hair. Aim for 1/2 inch longer than your target so you can trim later. Attach the clip base at the hairline, press until it clicks, and test tension. If it feels loose, reposition slightly toward the temple. Make sure the weight is even. Once the clip is secure, you move to blending so the bangs look natural. Carefully trim with small vertical snips, taking off no more than 1/4 of the length per pass to avoid overcutting. This preserves softness. Next, use a round brush and low heat to shape the curve and encourage integration with your layers. If needed, anchor the clip at the temple with a bobby pin to stabilize while styling. Finish with a light hold spray from about 1 to 2. You finish by checking balance and comfort, because small adjustments make a big difference. Flip your head forward to compare left and right. Trim tiny amounts to even out. If the clip lifts or shows a gap, reduce the bulk underneath or shift it slightly closer to the scalp so it lays flat. For stubborn flyaways, strategic point cutting and a pea-sized serum applied sparingly smooths the surface. If irritation or slipping persists, remove and reattach after styling the base again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.